quiz. Okay, this is the last topic before the quiz. Okay, got it? This is the last topic. 3 is the last topic before the quiz. Okay, so it's going to be a long topic. I think there's a part 2. There's about 9 questions. Part 3. There's about 7 questions. Total got 16. Okay, and it's going to be a long question. Okay. Now the last time, I think we have stopped here. Am I right? Am I right? We have stopped here. We have gone through all these portions, right? Is it okay? Is it okay? Can I? And then we have gone through particular identities, which I believe Joshua has also studied. Right? I think Joshua is going to be tested on this later. The racial identity. Okay, so now we are going to go to the addition and double angle formula. Okay. Now, who are the friends that we are going to meet? Now, who are the guys that are going to meet? Can you hear me? Can now, basically, addition and double angle formula. Okay, the word double addition is what? That's addition. Okay, that's addition. So, who are the guys that you are meeting is basically sine A plus B, cosine A plus B, tangent A plus B. So far, okay? And the word double means what? Times what? Times 2, right? Okay, so what angles are we investigating? Sine 2A, cos 2A, tangent 2A. So far, okay? These are the friends that you're going to meet. So I'm going to tell you. All right? So what are the formula? So not ready? Not ready, huh? Okay. I'll give you a discount. I only want this 2. Okay? I only want this 2. Can I? I feel like the first one. That's why I give you a discount. Sorry. This side for you. Okay, now here, what are the friends? No, sorry, you're not to talk to them, they are to focus on my lesson. Okay, so now I'll write down for you sine A plus B. Right, the truth is okay, the end of today, this is the friend we are going to meet. It's the sine A cos B. Sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. This is the addition angle formula. Now cos A plus B, the formula is cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. Okay, tangent A plus B is sine A cos. No. Sorry, tangent A. What happened to all my markers? All gone. Tangent A plus tangent B over 1 minus tangent A tangent B. Okay. And so as a student, I don't need to learn much. I just spend my time memorizing formula. This is inside our formula list. Okay, but it will be good for you to remember. All right. Now, can you help me go to 07? Take the orange marker from why are you so upset? Oh, no, you sorry, I forgot. Sensitive. You cannot do that. Who can help me? Okay, then help me. Let me go 07, go 2 marker. I left my marker there. Wow, what like that one? Okay, you help me. 07, get my mark. I left my marker there. Orange color. Yes. Thank you. 47. I don't teach CJ2. Not from. Yes. Oh, hiya. By the time you tell me. Okay. So sine 2A is 2 sine A cos A. Cos 2A is 2 cos square A minus 1. 1 minus 2 sine square A. Sit down here, please. Okay, these are the formulas that you will use. Right? So, okay, now you see, okay, one of them is addition, one of them is double addition. What is this? Sean, what is this? What What's the name? Addition or double? This is addition, huh? This is addition. Okay. What is this? Short choose another person. Salihan. Yeah. Salihan, what formula is this? This is called the double angle formula. Here, this is a double angle formula. So far, okay? And now, these are the friends that I will slowly introduce to you. Okay, by the end of today. Okay, so of course, a good math teacher cannot just say, take a formula and memorize it. I must try to show you, guys, how they came about their birth, their whole life story, right? So this is I'm going to do something. Okay, now, sine, the way I remember, sine is a good boy. Sine is a good boy. So sine, usually, if you give sine plus, they will give you a plus. Okay, if you give sine a minus, they will give you a minus. Okay, sine is a minus. If you sine A minus B, they will also give you sine A cos B minus. Are you okay so far? So if this is a minus, this will also be a minus. Okay? Cosine is a naughty boy. So cosine, if you give you a plus, it will give you a minus. If you give you a minus, it will give you a plus. See, okay? Tangent is sine divided by cosine, right? So sine is the numerator, cosine is the denominator, right? So the numerator is a good boy. The denominator is a naughty boy. Naughty boy. So if it's a plus, then you can see it's plus and minus. But if it's a minus, then you'll be a minus and plus. So far, okay? Yeah, this is the whole formula in 2 minutes, right? So of course, the good math lesson shouldn't just show you the formula. Okay. Now, what else? Cosine is a naughty boy. Sine is a good boy. Okay, so far? Now, sine is somebody that will always wait for his or her friends when they go for recess. Example, sine, right? You will see he'll wait for cosine. He will say, hey, sine A will wait for cosine B. Let's go together. Cosine A and sine B also deal. But cosine is that guy who's very naughty. Every time the bell rings, straight away cosine will run to the recanting person. They will not wait for sine. They will go first. So cos A, cos B will always go. They do not wait for sine. Is it okay? Can So sine is a good boy, cosine is naughty boy. You will always fit the sine. Sine will always wait for the rest, cosine does not wait. Cosine will always move first. Any resemblance to real life incidents are purely coincidental. Okay? For recording purposes, I will take a photo. Doctor ready? Not ready, Can For recording purposes, I'll put this off. Don't be so calculating. Okay, Alex, let him a calculator. I thought, of course you know. Is it okay? Can. Now, I will go on to talk about, okay, so the next few parts of the lesson, it may be boring. Okay, so just bear with me. Anyone still want to copy? You want me to wait? Okay, I see some pens moving, so I wait a while. Now this, to be honest, if you ask me, I will expect you to memorize that. Okay, now this is in MF A-level formula. Pythagorean is not. Pythagorean you have to memorize. But one thing I can tell you is your relationship with Trigo is a lifetime partnership. You will do it until 2028. 2028. A-level. It's not in MF27. So that means it's not in A-level formula. Is it okay? Can Pauline, okay? Now, so like I said earlier, please bear with me. All right. Different teachers, different style. I'm going to. Okay. I went through this the last time, right? Correct, huh? You also remember? That was like 2 weeks ago before I went to Thailand. Okay, I'm still a male one, by the way. Okay, so come back. Good to go. Sin A cos B, cos A sin B. Okay, okay, now case 2 is the case where F does not lie on the line segment. Okay, so I think I will not go through. I just tell you copy. Okay? Ready, huh? Ready, wait. You need time. Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Okay, I'll just tell you copy. This is on page 4. On page 4, okay? This is on page 4. If you are, I will not go through. I think I'll go through the last one. I'll go through the first case. I will just let you look at the second case. Is that okay? I'll let you copy. You go back and read yourself. Okay? Can I? Okay, so I'm not going to continue with the all done already. Anyone not done? All done? Okay, so now look here, look here. Look here, study hard. Stop. Look here, Joshua. Okay. So now sin A minus B, right? Okay, if I want to deduce the formula for sin A minus B, right? We know that we can see as sin A plus negative B. Oh, so plus brown is sin A cos negative B plus cos A sin negative B. Then we also know that look here. Okay. So we also know that sin negative B is the same as negative sin B. Correct? Or we also know that cosine negative B is cosine B. Is that okay? Can I? You all understand why? Can huh? If you all don't remember, I go back. Don't be shy. I go back to our formulas here. Remember, you think of theta as a cube. Negative theta will be quadrant 4. In quadrant 4, only cosine is positive. 180 minus theta is obtuse. In obtuse quadrant 2, only sine is positive. Okay? Can I? I'm going to use it like you own it. Okay, so when I use this, I expect you all to like, oh, okay, I know. Okay, good job. You did it. Okay. Okay, can I? Now, next one. Anyone want to say? I forgot already. Okay, can I? So that's why from here to here, you can see it's cos B, sin negative. So with this, I'm showing you the formula for sin A. Sin A minus B. Okay. 1 second. Where am I? Yeah, this one. Okay, that's why sin A minus B is the same as sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Okay. Another way to remember a very lame way, very silly way, but we all remember silly thing when we were kids, right? So sin, good boy, sin with a minus sign will give you a minus sign. Okay, sin will also wait for cosine and go together. If sin comes first, sin will wait for cosine and go together. Cosine, naughty boy. Cosine change minus to plus. Cosine is the first one to run to canteen. Okay. If you know what I mean. So far, so good. So with that, I let you see the addition formula for sine. Okay. Most people just combine these two into this. Plus minus plus. So most people just combine. It's inside your formula list. No need to remember, but as you all know, formula list is an extra step when we do exam. The fastest is to take it from your head. Okay? Yeah, I don't see any pen moving, so I assume all okay. I will go to the next one. Okay, next one. Activity 2.2. Can you all go to page 5 with me? Page 5 with me, yeah? Activity 2.2, page 5. Oh, okay, huh? I will show one case, then I'll let you copy the other. Okay, I know you all don't like proof, but then in all good conscience, I cannot just show you all the formula without showing you how we get it. Can I? Okay. Xavier, okay? Can I? What? Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Where are you now? Can you faster? I'm here, I'm here. The below part. Copy faster. I wait for you. My grandchild already become a grandfather. Copy 10 seconds. 10, 9. Who else copy? Copy already not? Joshua? Okay. Joshua copy from Zisan. Shut up, Isabella. Okay. Okay, Xavier, you copy from Alex. I cannot wait. Oh, okay, can Okay. Next. Activity 2.2. Proving the cosine addition formula. Okay. So first one, you remember, okay, if I say ABC looks like that, right? Remember the start of the narrative was angle A, angle B. Okay. Remember it was like this. Angle A, angle B, angle C. This was the narrative. So we know that angle A plus B plus C is 180. Is that correct? Can I? So therefore, can I say that 180 minus C is the same as A plus B? Is this correct? You all listen to me first, Okay, so yeah, step by step, Can I? So cosine A plus B, can I say it's the same as cosine 180 minus C? Yes. By the supplementary angle formula. Supplementary. How to spell supplementary? SUPP. Can I say it's negative cosine C? Cannot. 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 I'm going to use it like only. Yeah. Yeah. The more you study, it's like you have more weapons in your arsenal like that. All the formulas will the universe will come and help you once you get to know them. What's cosine rule? Cosine rule was also something we studied last year, right? 1 year ago, the very fond memories. Can I say that based on this triangle, C square equals to A square plus B square minus 2AB cosine C? Can I say this? Cosine rule? Do you remember J3? And I thought you might be copying, so I spoke slow a while. Okay. Can I say that, okay, this is C, remember, small letters, they are the sides, small c, small a, small c. Capital letters are the angles, capital A, capital B, capital C. Now, okay, by the Pythagoras theorem, now I come to this, by the Pythagoras theorem, AF, CF, and AC. Can I say that AF here, this is AF, this is H, this is B. Can I say that the Pythagoras theorem, AF is square root B square minus H square? Everyone okay with this? Are you okay? For sure, okay? Stay with me, stay with me. This one, you must stay closely with me. The moment you distracted, one step, you will be lost. Okay, you'll be intellectually lost. Right? Not physically lost. Okay. Now look at this triangle. This is A, this is H, this is BF. Best friends forever. Looking at this triangle, can I say that BF is square root A square minus H square? Can? See, okay? Yeah. Pauline, can Ari Krishnan Pashini, can Okay. Okay. So AB is BF, best friends forever. Okay. Plus AF. So can I say that? Makes sense, right? AB, this C, right? Instead of this triangle, is EF plus EF. Okay, using this, you can see using this, I'm going to say that it's A square minus H square plus B square minus H square. Okay, I'm simply using over here, you can see, substituting. So far, okay. Can I? Up to you. You want to copy as I go, or you want to wait until I say finish everything, copy, then copy. Okay, so can I? Now remember just now we were saying that this is the cosine rule, right? So can I say that this is C squared? Remember that by Pythagoras, we are also saying that this is my C. So what am I saying? I'm going to use the same guy in two different ways. They are both C. They are both C. Square, correct? Right? Squares are my favorite shape. Because when you have squares, life is organized. Can this is like equation 2 or equation 2. This is like equation 1. Put them together. Stay. Pay attention to this one. I thought later need to spend time to explain. Okay? Now, when I see a square, actually what I want to do? See, I see a square, what I want to do? It starts with letter E. Yes, I expect. Okay, so x minus y bracket square. If this is x, this is y bracket square, right? Take a look, this x bracket. I'll naturally think of x square plus 2xy plus y square, just like what you said. What is x square? X square is going to be, can I say it's like a square minus b square? Yeah. Plus 2xy plus y square. Then the left hand side is still, well, I'll get to that. It's to prove the cosine addition formula. Okay. Can I? I hope you all know is to get to this. Can I? Before you get to make a friend, what you do? You start stalking first. Stop. So now we are doing the stalking process. Can I? Can I introduce you to different ways? Correct? Yeah. So to stop a debate, for example, if I want to Instagram, how do you get to know this person? Usually you need to get to know 2 of your mutual friends. Then the person will add you. I learned this in the course, by the way. Okay. A square can cancel. B square can cancel. Follow me. Okay. Can I? So now I write again. To square root a square minus h square, square root b square minus h square minus 2h square. Is this okay with you all? Hope so far. I'm recording this so you can watch it many times. Okay. Again, if you didn't catch, this is c square. So c square is x minus x plus y bracket square, which is like x square here plus 2xy plus y square. Okay, that's why I'm doing this. No need. It's the same question. It's more for you to appreciate it. Right or not? Can I? When you make a friend on Instagram, do you need to go and stalk the person? Yes. Maybe for society, but I don't know. Friends come to you. Okay. Huh? How again? Yes. Yeah. So those of you who like, because you like to do math, you also know that math, you can, when you are able to solve problems, that's only level 1 of the enjoyment, right? And that's only helping. But if you are able to prove, you are able to create theorems, then you are helping more people, right? Okay, so now I come to this step. What do I do next? I'm going to divide by negative 2ab on both sides. I'm going to divide by negative 2ab on both sides. What do I get? can I say this? Can I say I cancel 2? Can I say, okay, let's say if I leave the minus sign on the left, I leave the minus sign here. Can I say that minus cosine C is the same as square root A square minus H square, square root B square minus H square over AB, minus H square over AB. Can I say this? I'm really dividing 2AB here, the 2 and 2 cancel all. Left hand side over AB, right hand side over AB. When you are not tested on the proving, it doesn't mean you don't learn. Because you must always learn more than what you are tested on. Okay, it's not just about exams. Okay. So if you're okay with this, can I say that H squared, I purposely write this as H over A, H over B? Is it okay? What is negative cosine C if you look at this? Okay, so now can I say that, guys, can I say that it's A squared minus H squared over A multiplied by square root B squared minus H squared over B minus H over A minus H over B. Can I say that? So if you are following me at this point in time, I want to ask for 4 volunteers. Number 1, Sadhana, tell me, express this as a single trigo ratio. It's like sine A cos B cos A sine B. Okay. Second, Micah, express this as a single trigo ratio. Third, Aditi, express this as a single trigo ratio. Number 4, Aiden, express this as a single trigo ratio. When you are ready, you tell me. The rest also you try. Okay. What is this equals to? I give you a hint. You look at this triangle. A square minus H square is here. Small a is here. Square root A square minus H square is here. A is here. What's your answer? Are you ready? Are you ready? Cosine C. Huh? Yours is cosine B. Okay, yours is cosine B, correct? What is Micah? What's yours? Cosine A. Very good. So Micah say hers is cosine A, cosine B minus H over A is Aditi. H over A. What's H over A? What is H over A? Cosine C or cosine B? Huh? You're so confused. There's no trigger ratio called you are so confused. Okay. So this is B, right? This is the A. This is H, right? This is the right triangle. Sine B. Sine B is A over H over A. Okay? Sine B, yeah? Sine B, yeah? So Aditi says that This is sine B. Aiden, what is H over B? Very good. Prava, can you tell me how these two are related? Thank you. Okay, so therefore, can you all see, guys? Proven already. Okay, so we proved already. Also with that, cos E cos A. So actually, cos A plus B is the same as cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Okay, so far? Clear or not clear? Not clear. Huh? Okay, like I said, the proof is tedious. That's why I slow down. I hope I got you. If you cannot, it's recorded. Go back home and watch it 1,000 times.
How does it translate?
Which one? Here to here?
Yeah.
Because when you look at the triangle, right? Square root B square minus H. Okay. Here, this one. Okay, so far, this one, right? This is equals to this. This is equals to this. How? Look at the triangle. Okay. Now, if you look at this, right? This is a triangle. Right? This is square root B square minus H square. So far, B square minus H square, this one is B. Okay. So you can see, right? If this is A, right? Adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay. We are now at the level where Picasso must be tattooed in your head. Okay. If you are struggling to come up with Picasso, okay, then try to speed up your thinking. Okay, because at J4, these are all you will have multiple inputs that all one step. Okay. So far, okay. So if you're okay, you can stop drawing on Aiden's school. Yeah. So if you're okay, okay. Anyone still copying?
Then shouldn't it be B square? A square. Oh, A square minus B square.
So you must see the one. A square minus B square over A. So this one is cosine. B square minus B square cosine A. Oh. So what's the objective, Joshua? The objective is to prove to you this formula. Okay, Joshua? Look here. What formula is this? This is called the addition formula. Why is it add? Because I'm adding full angle. Is it okay? All good? Sure. And if I ask you now, are you able to come up with the proof on the spot? Okay, look like Sadhana one is ready. Okay, come. Okay, so I'll let you take a look at the next one. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to let copy that. I won't for you. Okay. On the bottom of page 5, case 2. Proving a cosine where the f does not lie on the right segment. Okay, so give me a try. Okay, can I? Just going to pause here for you to copy. 1 second. Okay, so I go on. Okay, so next one. So at the end of the day, this is the addition formula for the cosine function. Okay, there are total of 2 formulas. Okay, cos A plus B and cos C minus B. Okay, can are you eating? So you eating? What are you eating? Open your mouth, show me. What are you eating? Saliha, what are you eating? Just a wrapper. So where's the food? Besides Sean's mouth. Besides Sean's mouth? Not ahead. Okay. Who say you can eat? Ask permission next time. Understand? Clear or not, Sean? Can Now, how can we use the one? Okay, let's see. So another way to use the addition formula for the sine function to prove the one for cosine function. Another way is you can use the complementary angle formula. Okay, in the complementary angle formula. Complementary angle formula. Right? Because what is cos? Remember, cos theta is the same as sine 90 minus theta. Remember this? Don't remember? Okay, let me go up. You all remember this? Remember this complementary angle formula that you learned in JH3? Now, what am I saying here is that this formula here, you can see cos A plus B is the same as like sine 90 minus A plus B. Is that okay? Can so far? Can I multitask a bit, listen, then write, listen, then write. Oh, okay, oh. Yeah. So if this is true, can I say this is the same as sine A cos B plus cos A sine
A minus, sorry.
replace A with 90 minus A, sorry. Again, sorry.
It's on the board.
So I can say sine 90 minus A plus B hor, which is the same as that. Okay? Okay. So this is just for you to try. Okay, not compulsory. Okay. But still for you. Can the proving part is boring. I scared you fall asleep, so I'm doing my best.
If you understand.
This one you don't understand, right? You go back and watch the video. It's okay. It's not live and Joshua, put a post-it, move on, follow me for the next one.
It's okay. It's okay if you don't understand.
Yeah,
Like
but
it's okay.
yeah, it's not live and that. So
Like it's not
yeah,
something that you can
yeah. If you harp too much on the past, you will lose me in the future. Yeah, so you must follow me. The way to learn, that's how we can learn together. Okay. Now I go to 2.3. Okay, 2.3, sin A plus B cos A plus B, right? How do I prove tangent A plus B? Okay, we all know that this is the outcome. Can it's like cooking show. Today I teach how to cook pad thai. Right? This is the ingredient. Okay, so by right, what do you do first? What do you know about sin A plus B? This is the same as sin A cos B plus cos A sin B over cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Is that okay? Okay. Now we try to divide both the numerator and denominator by cos A cos B. Please help me to see if you can get what you want. Yes? Cannot. Can. You can. So the numerator is here, right? You divide this by cos. Okay, so is this the numerator, right? Or this is the numerator. This is the numerator. You divide by cos A cos B. Separately, together, same. Can you see? My original here, I'm dividing by cos A cos B. Sin A sin B. Divide by cos A cos B. Okay? If you do not know the proof, it's not life and death, but it helps if you understand. Okay? What do you say? You do not know, you put a post-it there. Just tell yourself later, I come back to this. Then you go on. Hey, you hear what I say? You hear it here? Okay, then you must acknowledge that, okay, I heard you. Okay, you don't just ignore me.
What's the line?
So here, see, what am I doing? I'm following this instruction. I'm dividing by cos A cos B. Clear so far? I'm dividing by cos A cos B. Clear or not?
It's on top. This whole thing is an fraction.
Okay. Can I? Now after you got this, you get what you want. What's happening next is the cancerous process, right? So what do you see? Cosine B, cancel. What is sin A over cos A? Tangent A, Brava. Cancel A. What is sin B over cos B? Baba? Tangent B, yeah. Archie, what is sine Jeffrey over cosine Jeffrey? Tangent Jeffrey. Okay, can. Here I cancel. What's going on? Cancel. What do I left with? 1. Here, what is sine B over cos C, sine A over cos A? Tangent A, tangent B. That is why my formula is just tangent A plus tangent B over 1 minus tangent A tangent B. Is that okay? Okay. If you're copying, please don't copy yet. Let me show you something better to copy. Okay. Yeah. This way. Was it too much? Okay, then I go show you the original. It's the same, guys. It's the same. Just that one is a dark line.
Tangent is sine over.
Yep.
How do you remember that?
I just do. Like hopefully some time and effort lah. With some time and effort.
What? No, I just remember that because like tangent, I remember we learned
Okay, next you try to prove this for yourself, okay? Can you try proving this? Try proving this? Can? Are you all hearing me? You all hearing me, yeah? Tangent A plus A minus 1 minus. Can everyone try this part? Let me know if you got it. Those who got it, can you just raise up your hand or something? Got it. Got it, yeah. Kaden got it? Okay. So tangent negative B is the same as negative tangent B. Oh, okay. Tangent negative B is the same as negative tangent B. You got it proven already? Managed to prove? Okay. Managed to prove, Zisan? Okay, so negative tangent B, this is the same as this part. You can cancel this and call it minus tangent B, right? This is minus tangent B. That is why you can get the formula here. Oh, okay. So with that, I have sold to you 3 formulas today. In fact, it's 6 if you include the minus. Clear so far? I hope you remember this. Okay, it's a lifetime partnership. Cannot run away one. Total got 6. You will do with these formulas until SH2. They will follow you. Okay? You just did what? Archie okay? Archie? Colin okay? Can Colin, you haven't passed out practice set? Then what are you waiting for? Christmas? You forgot, this is what I got as of yesterday. Some I haven't marked. Aiden haven't give. Aiden, when you gonna give? When you gonna give? Susan gave already? Colin gave already? Xingyu gave already? Practice set. You gave me, yeah. Okay, it's in letter 3, Okay, maybe I haven't marked. Xingyu gave already? You gave already? Never. Give already? Give already, okay. Aiden give already? Haven't. Why? Why? Is it with you now? It's with me now. Submit now, waiting for what? Come again? No, with you, where is it? Got do or never do? Never do. Stand outside. Yeah. Every time never do. Just because your math score high. Do your work, understand? Tomorrow I want all. Okay, now this one. Are the trigo functions additive? Are they addicted to anything? No. Additive, they are not. That means, is this true? Obviously, it's not. This is a novice mistake. A lot of people, for example, do something like this. They go and write down sine 30 plus 45. They say that it is the same as sine 30 plus sine 45. This is a novelty mistake. Is it true? Obviously, it's not. Okay, so when there's an addition, you need to be able to speed using the formula. Okay? Yeah. So no. With that, can you do question 2.1, 2.2, 2.3? Let's target 3 questions today. Can? No. You slot. You spend hours with it. It's just like a friend like that. If you spend a lot of time with a friend, you will get to know the person. Yeah. Math in which one? I do partial practice paper. I really, you must really enjoy doing it. When you enjoy doing it, then you work so long hours that you don't even feel tired. The only way for you to go at something is number one, you must like the subject. Huh? Assignment question. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. Okay. Now you see this one. Xingyu. I change this to this. Then look at your results in part 1, part 2. You should be able to get something. Cannot? Cannot. Are you all done with part 1? Yes, sir. Question 1. Yeah. One second. Yes. Wow. Damn. You want to be a peer tutor or you want to be a tutor? Or you? I want to be tutor. I need to check. Can you text? Check. Okay. Sorry, gradient of 0 is 横线. So it is 0 by myself RG asked to sign up for them support. 2.5. I'm not showing it to the class yet, just wait a while. 2.5, you're too fast. What the? 2.5? Yeah. How do you do 2.5? Yeah. Minus. Hey, what is this? I don't know. I forgot. 2.2 is small. Use the go in front to get a point. Yeah. Okay, Alex. What is that? Go to the front. Okay, question 2.1. I believe quite okay. So because we know that for part 1, okay, I'm going to start recording now. Oh, it's already recording. Okay. So sine A minus B is half. This means that sine A minus B by formula is sine A cos B minus cos A sine B, which is half. Now from the formula, I know that sine A cos B is 7 over 10 minus cos A sine B is equals to half. Manipulating the equation, cos A sine B should be equal to 7 over 10 minus half, which gives you 1 over 5. Okay, the answer is also on the board. Okay, yes, go ahead. Part 2, this is sine A plus B by formula. This is sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Don't worry, if you are not at this question, you don't want to pay attention, it's fine. I'm also recording this because I want it to be, I'm also going through this because I want it to be in the recording now. So sin A cos B, we know that it's 7/10. Cos A sin B, we know that it's 1/5, right? The more you know, the more you know. Okay? Yeah. You lost it. 9/10. You lost it, man.
No.
I you want
No.
Part 3. You lost it again. Tangent A over tangent B. Anyone start at part 3?
I lose it again.
Hey, you might want to. You're talking so loud. Every time I hear the recording, it's all your voice. That's right. Quiet. Okay. Can I? Then part 3, no one? Study hard? Boleh? No boleh? Tak boleh? Huh? Do it now. Do it now. Okay. Sadana? No, okay. Very good. Okay. So tangent A is the same as sin A over cos A. Tangent B is the same as sin B over cos B. Right? I multiply this up. I multiply this down. This is the same as sin A cos B. Cos A sin B, which will give me the answer of 7/10 divided by 1/5. The answer is 7/2. Joshua, don't make so much loud noises. It's like this. So it's going to be recorded in my iPad. Everyone in the class, when they watch the recording, they You must remember, when I spend 5 minutes to correct you, or when I spend 3 minutes to punish you, it wastes 28 students' left time. You understand? So try to be considerate. Always in school, we must think as a team player, not just for ourselves. Okay, yeah? You will find that the people who does the best are the best team player. They really care about others. Question 2.2. Have you all done 2.2 yet? No, you all cannot do. Need help. So now, the thing about mathematics, sometimes we need to break up everything, make it granular, right? What do I know? Sin theta plus, we call it phi, phi. Phi. Yeah, this one. What do I call this? Aditi. Phi, okay? Can I? What do I call this? Colin. What do I call this? This one. What's the symbol for this? Theta. Very good. Okay, so in case you do not know, this is called phi. This is phi. I5, Y5. Okay, so this is the same as sin theta cos phi plus cos the sin phi. Okay. Now, if theta and phi are acute angles, if sin theta is equal to 24/25, which quadrant are they in? They are in the, if they are acute, they are in the first quadrant. This is their biggest hint to you. All right, that theta is over here. Not only that, you need to see that when they are telling you about theta, they are telling you that, hey guys, this theta here, go and take him, right? Don't just let him sit alone. Make full use of him. Theta here has an opposite and a hypotenuse. Sin theta is 24/25. That's what they want you to do. Yes. Okay. So when the opposite is 24, hypotenuse is 25, what can you obtain? This will be 7. Clear so far? This will be 7. Not 6, but 7. Okay? Pythagoras theorem. From sin theta, what can I get? Guys, I can get cos theta. What is cosine theta? Cosine theta is just very good. Whole class only got Joshua, 7/25. Why do I need this? Because it's going to be part of my grand plan later. Guys, look at what I need to form. You will know why I need to do this triangle and why I need to get cos theta. Huh? Right? Why do I need cos theta? Yeah.
I thought Sign. What's the weird S symbol? Weird S symbol. I don't know what you call it.
Ask your question again in a more polite way.
Okay, what's the weird symbol?
Ask your question again in a polite way.
What's the cosine symbol?
Sir, can you take a look at this? Okay, let me ask you. Fine. Yes. Yes, PHI. And if you were listening just now, you would know that I've said it 1,000 times. Right? Okay. So you need to listen. Right now. I cannot be repeating everything just for you. Okay? So now, next, listen. What do I go to cosine phi? Cosine phi now is 12 over 13. This is phi, 12, this is 13. Therefore, the opposite will be 12, 13 will come with. Very good. Why do I do this, Bora? Because I want to find sine phi, which is 5 over 13. Okay? Let's do what? Okay, all. Maybe I'm still talking. Let me finish. Okay, can I? So from here, then you can slowly put in the rest. Sine theta is 24 over 25. Cos theta is 7 over 25. Cosine phi is 11 over 12 over 13. Sine phi is 5 over 13. Okay, from here, guys, do you all know what to do? Yeah. You do the same for cos theta plus phi. You are going to get negative 36 over 325. I hope and I believe you can do it now. I don't think I will go through. Okay. But how do I deduce this portion? Can anyone tell me? Is there anyone I can ask to explain this? What is theta plus phi between pi over 2 and pi? No, I want to deduce. I don't want to calculate. Very good. Because cosine theta plus phi is negative. Can Baba, look at me. Don't look at me. I'm more handsome. So therefore, theta plus phi is in quadrant 2. Yeah? Can Now, why is it in quadrant 2 and not quadrant 3? Because both theta and phi are a cube. Meaning, they have to be they have to be they can be quadrant 2. Correct. Here. Theta will be between 0 and pi over 2. Theta plus phi should also be between pi and 0. Okay? This should only be in quadrant 2. Plus, this one is negative. Quadrant 3 or quadrant 2, you can see that the intersection of both of them has to be quadrant 2. Okay?
Are the two triangles phi?
Phi and theta.
Phi and theta, are they conjoined line?
You draw them on no. You draw them on separate diagram. Okay? I will stop at 2.2. We will continue tomorrow.